a start as it crosses the room. Trembling noises that come too soon. Spatial movement which seems too near, resonating a mask of fear. Hollow talk in a hologram. Thoughts set out for the road of pain. And then you cut. You cut it all. And everything goes back to the beginning. Silence ceases a clouded room. Light is shed, not a breath too soon. Darkness rises and all you do is tighten your jaw and then cross the room. Spatial movements are born of light. Shadows scatter without a fire. And then you cut.
Howdy amigos!
Yo!
How y'all doing? Ah. Ja.
Okay guys, we're back again after a long December.
Oh yeah.
It's been a busy month in December, so we haven't had the time to get out and
Film.
film. Now we are here in beautiful Felle in Telemark. Last time we was in our area, we were heading out to the island with the boat, as you probably remember. And now we're here.
In the cold fella, not as cold the other time, but we have 10 minus degrees now.
Yep.
And our skis is on the feet, and yeah, we're freezing.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Yeah, it is.
I think it's the coldest it's been when we're out.
Yeah, this is the coldest trip we've ever had, I think.
Yeah, and we're so lucky with the weather today.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
We woke up and it's just so nice outside.
Yeah.
So beautiful. And I think we have around 60 centimeters of snow.
Yeah, I guess, probably. I know over on a half a meter at least.
Yeah, probably.
And yesterday it snowed. Snowed?
So,
yeah.
we came here last night around 8 p.m.
Yeah, 8
We took our skis out and we found out pretty quick that it was impossible to get to camp with our backpacks as well.
Yeah, we have cross-country skis, and we need some thicker skis because these are really thin, so they just sink inside the snow. So
Yeah,
it's
they
really
just
really
slide
hard
straight out.
to walk. So, but as you might have seen, we have changed our name. So we are no longer Norwegian Outdoors. We are Woodsmen, and the reason being that we changed our names was because when we were named Norwegian Outdoors, we felt like we had to make videos for Norway, or like it was a bigger concept than just us two, and it sounded like a big I don't know, company, and we just thought Woodsmen sounded cool, and we gathered up some people to help us doing some logos and stuff.
Yeah.
And we think it turned out great, and you will see more of us and Norway Woodsmen in the future. So we are really stoked, and we hope it works, and you guys keep watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And of course we love the woods as well, so it's a perfect fit for us.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're stoked about that. And of course we are now ambassadors for Amok as well.
Yeah.
Which is really cool.
Yeah,
And we are proud to have Amok in our backs. And yeah.
So there's a lot of things happening in 2018, which we are really excited for, and which you guys will see more of.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Marius, let's head to the camp.
Let's go, buddy.
Yeah, let's go! Woohoo!
Okay, so Jonathan is doing something crazy. He was suggesting that he was going to take a bath in here. Are you ready, Jonathan?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Oh shit.
Okay, man, how are you feeling?
I'm cold.
That's some balls, man.
Oh yeah.
High five. Damn, that's nice.
Never again.
Never again.
Once in a lifetime.
Experience.
Oh. Oh. See you guys.
So, Jonathan is out taking a bath, and he's lying in his hammock trying to get warm. So I was thinking that he deserves some hot chocolate and some food. So I'm going to warm some water and make some food. Let's give it a go. Okay guys, so on this trip we brought with us 5 packs of noodles, some crisps, sugar and tea, and some soft bread with some bacon cheese, and mashed potatoes, 2 packs, and a big hot dog, some chocolate, spices, and some hot chocolate. And that's what we had with us this trip. And now I'm going to make some we're going to have some soft bread and some hot chocolate. Hey, buddy boy. Oh. Oh. It's really cold.
Oh.
So if you're really cold and you're outside, take a little run
Yeah.
and you'll get hot.
Don't bath.
And one's not hot.
Don't take a bath. Because your legs will die.
Just finished the campfire and brought some wood, and now we're just chilling in front of the campfire. It's really smoky today. That's alright. Jonathan is really cold on his feet.
I'm still cold after my bath, yeah. It was cold but good.
Cold but good.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We're gonna wait a little for the dinner.
Yeah.
What are we going to eat for dinner today, man?
Good question. We have some noodles.
We have some mashed potatoes as well.
Mashed potatoes. We have some Christmas ham. And I don't know. Noodles, maybe.
We can take noodles with I got this big hot dog from Christmas.
Yeah.
We can
The black one.
penetrate each other with that one. Ah, it's really smoky. Oh, God damn. Woohoo! Woo!
We're having troubles getting our fires up at the start because the wood feels really dry when you break it. You give this nice crack, but there's frost inside the trees on the side, or the wood. So when you break it, it sounds like it's dry, but it's really not. It's moist, and the water inside the wood is chilly and frosty. And when you warm it up, it creates water which drips down on the fire, and the fire just stops. So
Yeah.
yeah, but eventually we got it up, so that's good. And the embers are burning or melting down the snow. So if you lay the embers here on the snow, eventually it would sink down, and then the wood will still stay on the top where the ember was started.
Yeah.
So the ember is too low and the fire don't reach the wood on top. So we have to push the wood down all the time, and it's kind of stressed.
We want to thank you guys for
Yeah.
500 subscribers.
Great.
We are currently at 520, so we are rising, and it's awesome. We're really satisfied about it.
We had one goal in the start, and that was 500 subscribers until 2018,
Yeah.
which we barely managed to do,
Yeah.
or you managed to do. That's great. And I don't really know if we have any
New goal.
new checkpoints or goals now, really. Just our main goal is to get some free time and go out in the woods, make videos for you guys, and
Yeah, we want to be more out than we was in 2017.
yeah, of course.
And for myself, I have more free time now than I had before.
Yeah,
So me and Jonathan, we can go out more often.
absolutely. We
And
can.
this year we are also reaching out more
Yeah.
in Norway. We had a tendency to stay where we lived before, and now we're more like driving 2 hours from home and to new places. Which is nice because we can see new places and
Explore Norway.
explore Norway,
Yeah.
which is what we want. So thank you everyone.
Amazing.
A really good job, and
This is just the beginning.
this is just the beginning. Yeah.
We just scratched the top of it.
Yeah.
So now this is now we're starting.
Yeah.
Now things are happening, and yeah, we have quite some plans for our future.
Yeah.
Let's watch the sunset
Yeah.
and warm up on this not as successful campfire, and get something to eat afterwards.
Yeah. We gotta warm up the beer because all the beer is frozen. So
Yeah,
we have something to work on.
we do.
We just ate dinner.
Delicious.
Very nice.
Some delicious noodles.
Yes. It's getting very dark, so it's getting hard to film.
Yeah. And it's cold.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Ice cold.
Yeah. We are going to bed now.
Yeah.
And we are leaving very early. So this is probably the end. Jonathan has some stuff tomorrow,
Yeah.
so we need to leave early. That sucks.
I have some stuff to do early tomorrow morning, so we have to go early, which means that it's dark outside. We decided to end this trip now. It has been a blast.
It's been amazing.
It has.
This place is one of a kind, and to experience this
Was very cool.
was very cool.
Definitely coming back, and
Yeah,
I think we learned quite a few things on this trip.
yeah,
Bring more clothes. Don't ice bath in 10 minus Celsius. Don't go under the ice, Marius. And yeah,
yeah. It's a learning experience.
Yeah,
This is the coldest we've been out, so of course we're learning new stuff as well.
yeah,
And yeah, it's been a beautiful trip. Thank you
For
so much
sure.
for watching.
Check out Amok Equipment on Instagram.
Yeah, we'll check the links below.
Yeah. Check our Instagram, Woodsman Official,
Yeah.
_official.
And if you fancy Amok, check down in the description, and we have a coupon for you guys.
Yeah.
And you can get some off. And yeah. Are you ready for bed, Jonathan?
I'm ready for bed. All right, see you
Adios,
guys.
guys.